Let's go. The money rain in the arena. You see the lead singer getting that cash duffel bags all over him, sprayed around him. One aspect of Dambe. Go for the food. The food is Dambe. Another awesome view, and you need to taste this and the drums. All elements in Dambe combined to make this the most awesome sports. I'm Anthony Okeleke and welcome to Dambe Warriors. Keep it moving straight into the arena. On the blue shirt you have Bargon Aliyu of the House of Jamus. On the colored shirt on the brown hair you have Bargon Abatamai, and a trying attempt there from Shagon Abatamai as Aliyu blocks him and his every move, bouncing. Spectators watching closely, making a video on their cell phones. Get encouraged and keep it moving. So interesting. Dogon Ziwe is here. Nura Malkachin steps in to separate him and Shagon Magaji again. Dogon Magaji pushes onto Ziwe. Ziwe and Magaji go all about it at each other. And would this be a match that will be accepted? A fighter from Kudu steps in to try and separate them. Let them save it because there's an ongoing game. But typically this is a normal scene in Dambe, events. Fighters always stepping out to challenge themselves. It's a battle of wits. And return back immediately to Aliyu as Abatamai tries thrusting planks but gets pushed out of the way. I mean, it was a push but followed through with the left hook there from Bargon Aliyu. That is how it should be, and well played. A much needed knockdown we needed to watch as he goes to celebrate to the beating drummers there, strutting his stuff. And they'll take a victory possession as well, where he will get cash gifts from fans and well-wishers alike. It's a beautiful sight to behold. He is standing, and he's saying basically that he hates when people interrupt his matches and step in to try and intervene or fight. It's his time, let him fight his fight, keep him moving. He's glad he had a win, as it should be, and he's looking forward to more matches coming his way. Basically, interesting scenes from Dambe. There you see Bargon Ndo getting offers there from Togo, Bargon Maitakwasara, as well as another Grumada. All the Grumada fighters want to go at him. I seriously wonder why, but he wants their king, their former, he wants the king, and he still points him out. Stick around and may the feast of Dambe be with you.